Kailey, are you ready? Okay. Go ahead and put your head down there. Thank you.
Good girl.
Okay. All right. Let's see what's going on here today. Right there, you got a little owie right here. Yeah, let's see. Right there. Oof. Probably from slouching.
Yeah. And falling.
And falling. Yeah.
She's wild.
Is that
She's
right?
a wild child.
Hmm.
She runs everywhere. I'm like, you can't be running on the concrete. I mean, she could wipe out. Luckily, she really hasn't too bad yet.
Especially when the nose definitely need to check.
Yeah.
Oh, there's an owie right here. Is that an owie right there?
No, she had a little cold last week, and I was checking her neck. Good job, Kailey. She was excited to come here today.
Yeah, it's good because it keeps her running.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah, she's hardly ever sick. She just had a little cold the other week, but you know we were supposed to come 2 weeks ago.
Mhm.
And I'm like, maybe she wouldn't have got the cold then. Yeah.
There's a study that actually done that was proven that chiropractic would help with the immunity.
Oh, I tell everybody about it. Like, they think I'm very passionate about chiropractic, just so you know. But everybody's like, oh, you like it that much? I'm like, yes. Especially with my story and, like, I see that it helps her, too.
Ooh, right here. Okie dokie. That's the spot.
Oh, you're going to feel nice after this.
Yeah, I know it's icky, but I know...
It's okay, honey. It's okay.
It is an icky
Tickle,
spot.
tickle.
I have it on the most gentle setting.
Yeah. She's fine. She's a drama queen, too. She wants a Band-Aid for everything.
Yeah, that part's better. This part needs a little bit more.
Hi, boo-boo.
There. Are we gone?
You feel better? You feel better, honey?
Good job. High five. No high five. Oh. A little too sore in the neck, probably. Okie dokie. So hopefully that spot will help heal better. Okay.
Yeah, you'll feel better.
Good job.